one of the best spots to spot celebs is a hidden paradise that Extra recently discovered. The block that Ginny often visits and South Beach socialites Lauren and J.R. Ridinger call home.
From Mark Anthony and Jennifer Lopez.
She's so excited right now. This is the best time of her life.
To Paulina Rubio and Shakira, J.R. and Lauren Ridinger are dialed into the South Beach scene.
We're all neighbors. Paulina's on the other side. I mean, Shakira and Antonio are 4 or 5 houses down.
Yep, right here in the heart of Miami, they've created the perfect VIP escape. It's the multi-million-dollar mansion where Miami's elite come to meet. And if they ever feel a little landlocked, well, the private yacht is always waiting. And it's all possible because of their ultra-successful website, marketamerica.com.
We like to think of it as the ultimate online destination, where you can get everything you want at one URL.
J.R. and Lauren started the direct sales website 16 years ago, and it's afforded them the freedom to design their dream house.
It really is a cross between an Italian, villa and a French, gorgeous Louis XV type of home.
The fancy guest house would be dream enough for most. And while the pristine gardens surround a driveway filled with names like Mercedes, Ferrari, and Bentley, the house itself is filled with some equally impressive names like their pals, new parents Mark and J.Lo.
I was with Jennifer and the babies, and, I just watched how she looked at them. And this is the most, happiest mother right now in the world, and beautiful.
And father.
And father. I mean, they're both spectacular.
Shots of their own teenage daughter Amber with Paris Hilton, Jessica Simpson, and of course Jennifer are trumped only by Amber's very own spread in the April issue of Ocean Drive magazine.
Half of you is happy and proud, and the other half of you is scared to death, frightened.
At 17, Amber's got the title of Miami It Girl and BFF to Brooke Hogan. Or should we call her Glamber?
It's kind of started by Kim Paves and Jennifer. They all called her Glamber, and it kind of stuck.
Not too hard to see where that came from. Yep, in case you missed it, this is what 32 carats look like.
It's called my ice skating ring. It was after my 20 years together.
Lauren and J.R. Ridinger icing their status as Miami's couple to know, and doing it in the most beautiful of surroundings.